morning everyone and happy Sunday. I hope you're all enjoying this gorgeous sunshine that we've had over the past few days. It's been amazing. I've got tons of wash and dry, and let's face it, a bit of sunshine lifts your soul. So this video was filmed a couple of weeks back now, but it was filmed on a Monday, and on a Monday it's one of my busiest days for basically updating Etsy's shop with wax melts. So I have to pre-make all the wax melts on a Monday, get them all packaged up and then store them away for curing, which I usually do for around 4 days, and then those products become available on Etsy. So all those products were available, and I was also catching up with some orders from the weekend, so that's what you can see me doing here, getting stuck into Etsy.
I'm in love, yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah.
I've got to laugh because I think I've got the funniest concentration face ever. I've bit my lip about 100 times while I was doing those parcels. But yeah, as you can just see, I was packaging up some of the Etsy parcels that I'd sold over the weekend, and then basically it's a case of getting stuck in and cleaning up. The products that I've used in today's video to clean up is Marks and Spencer's Wash Up Liquid, which is the eco-friendly one, which is 55p, and I also used Tesco's eco-friendly multi-surface cleaner, which is like for the worktops and stuff like that, and it's in pink grapefruit, and it was £2 and it worked lovely.
It's out of control, out of control, I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Got someone new, I know it, yeah, but I will keep on denying it, yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses, yeah. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking.
So as you can see, that was a long process of making wax melts and sorting orders out. I usually start at around 10:30, 11 o'clock with making wax melts, and it goes on until around 4:30, 5 o'clock, and then I clean up and I basically sit down and have my tea. I spend the whole day on Mondays making wax melts and basically cleaning all the equipment and making sure everything's all spick and span for next Monday. So now you will see me basically just cleaning the kitchen because it gets so messy. As you're going to see, there's lots of cleaning involved and tidying things away because everything is just everywhere.
Need someone to hold my horses, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial.
Here I'm using my trusted barkeeper's friend to clean any wax that may be still in the sink, and I just find that this breaks it down because sometimes the wax can set in the sink if the water's gone a little bit cool, so the barkeeper's friend removes the wax, no bother, and cleans the sink up all nice. The pink bottle that you can see on the worktop is the Tesco's eco-friendly antibacterial multi-surface cleaner spray, which was £2, and it's absolutely brilliant. I suppose it's their version of Method, but it's a lot cheaper than Method. That I'm using to clean. The pink one is an e-cloth, a multi-purpose cleaning cloth, which is absolutely brilliant. It kills bacteria and everything else, but you can also use an antibacterial spray if you want to. And the blue cloth is one of the little polish cloths, like a glass cleaning cloth, which puts a nice polish on the worktops after I've washed them. If I just dry them off with that cloth and the taps and any chrome, it shines it all up nicely.
It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings get, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true.
And then this is me basically just faffing around. I pulled an old candlestick, as you can see in my hand there, that was purchased from B&M for about £4.99. Stood one of my candles on the top. I used a hydrangea head, which was purchased from a local garden centre, placed it on top of the vase and thought, yeah, that will make it a nice island centre for now. So that's me basically organising a tray. And that's it, everyone. that's a little behind the scenes of an average Monday in my house, where my kitchen becomes my workshop and then I have to basically scrub it when I'm finished. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. I love yous all. Have a wonderful day, whatever you are doing. Enjoy the sunshine, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.